The installation of the Caprera shower cabin. Above all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely leveled. After installing the shower tray, the next step is to assemble the cabin frame. Place the assembled frame on the shower tray and slide it against the wall. It is important that they stand perpendicular to the wall. We then accurately measure the fixing points of the wall profiles and make the fixing holes. It is very important that the wall profiles are completely vertical. Make the mounting holes. Fix the frame. After securing the cabin frame, place the shorter waterproof plastic slats on the edges of both safety glass. Install the casters on both cabin doors, the fixed casters on top and the spring casters on the bottom. It is important that the fixed casters are on the top, because when inserting the door, we must first hook the door at the top and then snap it into place on the bottom. After fitting the shower door, the magnetic rubber strip is also fitted and the longer watertight plastic slats are snapped on. Then we fit the handles as well. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.